Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2022 GT500 Shelby. Full front. Window film is Expel XR Plus for the highest heat rejection. Let's take a look at the paint protection film / Clearbrow installation on this fine beast. So let's start over here with our makeshift hood pins. And as you can see, everything's wrapped in. Everything's wrapped in. Perfectly wrapped in. All wrapped in. All these tips are nicely done. All wrapped underneath. All the way through. We want it to be as if nothing's on the car. All this is all perfectly wrapped around. All that's Clearbrowed in. All that fully wrapped. We took this center grill out to wrap all the way in that depression and wrap all that edge all the way around. Nice and clear, no issues. Coming around the fender, Cobra has set pins, so it goes right back in the same orientation. We didn't have to do any cutouts, no creations through plotting. Everything's bulked in, everything's custom. That is a custom install all the way through, all the way down, fully wrapped in, all the way into the wheel well. Perfectly done. No marks in the film. If you have adhesive marks in your film at home or a mark, you're wondering what it is. Sometimes that could either be installation or it could just be maybe something from the painting process, but this paint job on this car is perfect. I mean, it's as close to perfect as you're gonna get. All this fully wrapped in. No line out here, no line on top. It goes around the back side. All this black applique was done, fully wrapped in the back. Headlights done. Everything's perfect. All this in the front was done. Sorry, my door is right next to me. I gotta creep by here. It's a little windy out today, so I don't want the dust in here. So coming around here again, all fully wrapped in. You are hard pressed to find any edges on this wrap like all our wraps. Everything is perfect. Paint perfection, that's what it is. So there you go, folks. If you're looking for a great job, bring it over. You'll love it. Everything goes in beautifully. No marks, no nothing going on. All about dedication and making it right. If I have a piece that doesn't look good to me, I rip it off and do it over. Here you go. Everything's fantastic. Appreciate you guys watching. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. Should you have any questions, 214-414-3809, extension 1. I'm Brent. And if you need some pricing, need to schedule, just give me a call. Thanks for watching.